Masquerade Zimbabwe, welcome to our channel Zing Confessions and Deep Secrets. Kana karigi kutanga kukwepa neno channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Kana uchungwa goroga subscribe, but don't forget to comment and share this video. Nasmele Zimbabwe takigirai nyaya yabuditswa ne the General aChiwenga Voluntary Supporters Association, a coalition ZIPRA Military Veterans, Women Associations, Pamocherinama Youth Associations from Bulawayo, Matabeleland North, Matabeleland South. Vabuda vachi rebuka a statement rakaitwa na John Paradza in this faction recently during a gathering yakaitwa ku Dadaya. So this association yakabuda ichi Taura iyo they are going to demonstrate against John Paradza uyakabuda achipusha kuti President Emmerson Mnangagwa will remain in office until 2030. Vakabuda vachitaura ivo vachiti they are going to show a statement kuna they're going to make a statement kuna Paradza pamwe vanhu vese vari kurudzira the third term extension ya President Emmerson Mnangagwa. Nyaya yakabuditswa ichinzi the General aChiwenga Voluntary Supporters Association, a coalition of ZIPRA military veterans, women's association and youth associations from Bulawayo, Matabeleland North and Matabeleland South, has issued a sharp rebuke to statement made by John Paradza and his faction during a recent gathering in Dadaya. The association condemned Paradza's declaration that President Emmerson Mnangagwa would remain in power until 2030, calling it an affront to democracy and a direct attack on General Constantino aChiwenga's leadership and standing within the nation. aChiwenga, often referred to by his supporters as Umkwenyana, has emerged as a prominent figure, garnering considerable backing from various sectors of the Zimbabwean populace. In a strongly worded statement, the association described Paradza's faction as a minority desperate to cling to power through democratic means, accusing them of using divisive rhetoric to undermine General aChiwenga's support. They made it clear that their loyalty lies firmly with aChiwenga, whom they viewed as Zimbabwe's future leader. General aChiwenga is the leader the people of Zimbabwe are rallying behind. Read the statement emphasizing General's military background and his commitment to the nation's progress. Our support for General aChiwenga is not up for debate. In response to what they described as reckless and divisive statements, the General aChiwenga Voluntary Supporters Association announced plans for a mass demonstration in Bulawayo. The protest, expected to draw large crowds from across Matabeleland, is intended to showcase public support for aChiwenga and to send a clear message to Paradza and his supporters. The association has called on all patriots, youth, women and veterans alike to join the demonstration, which they hope will serve as a powerful reminder that the true will of people stands firmly behind aChiwenga. We will oppose Paradza's agenda with all the force at our disposal. The statement continued, labeling Paradza's rhetoric as an attempt to sow division and chaos for self-interest. The General aChiwenga Voluntary Supporters Association reaffirmed their confidence in aChiwenga's leadership, citing his military credentials, strength and vision for Zimbabwe's future. They view Paradza's declaration as a direct challenge to the legitimacy of aChiwenga's leadership, vowing not to be intimidated by what they see as factional minority. To John Paradza and those backing him, we say this: you will not silence the voice of the people, you will not stand in the way of justice, and you will not deter us from the leadership we seek under General aChiwenga. As tensions rise within the political landscape, the upcoming demonstration in Bulawayo is expected to be a major event, highlighting the growing divide between factions supporting aChiwenga and those backing President Mnangagwa's extended leadership. The association concluded their statement with a rallying cry, Mkwenyane Ngowetu, a slogan they believe represents their unwavering commitment to General aChiwenga. The date of demonstration is yet to be confirmed, but organizers are preparing for what they predict will be a large turnout from across Matabeleland and beyond. Dunyaya yakabuditswa muri Zimbabwe ne ichitaurwa ne the faction ya President Emmerson Mnangagwa vachipawarning this demonstration tisingaziye kuti munoona sei nyaya yetu zvamuri kufunga pamusoro penyaya iyi mu comment section.
Masoni Baba Masoni Baba Masoni Baba Masoni
Vamunangagwa vanenge vachitonga
2030
Vamunangagwa vanenge vachitonga
Pasi ne asingade
Pasi
Baba Masoni Baba Masoni Baba Masoni Baba Masoni Baba 2030
Vamunangagwa vanenge vachitonga
2030
Vamunangagwa vanenge vachitonga
Pasi ne asingade
Pasi